All right. So I've talked, when I wrote the new theorems, I talked about the anatomy of a theorem. So the anatomy is that you're going to have an if part and a then part. Okay, the if part is your conditions, and your then part is the resulting conclusion. If we're dealing with a converse just switches the conditional with the conclusion in a theorem or in a statement. And so if you took our statements from before, so the before one was if same side interior angles are supplementary, then lines are parallel. If we switch the condition and the conclusion, then we have what are called a converse. And so for the same side interior angles, if we say if lines are parallel, and that was the original conclusion, then same side interior angles are supplementary. Okay, so this is the converse of the theorem that we proved. Okay? And we can write the converse of all four of these different relationships. So if we write the converse of AIA, so once again we start with what was the conclusion if lines are parallel. And then our new conclusion would be then alternate interior angles. Are equal to each other. Okay, so there's the converse of AIA. We can do the same thing here for CA. Start with a new condition if the lines are parallel. This was the conclusion of the original CA. Then we can identify the corresponding angles are equal. And then finally, AEA, if we start with the condition that lines are parallel, then alternate exterior angles. Are equal. Okay, all of these converses will also be true. Okay, so all of these converses here, these are true. Okay, SSI, AIA, CA, and AEA. And in fact, we're just going to use the same abbreviation for the original theorem as well as its converse. And so if you're trying to prove that lines are parallel, you can use one of these four justifications. If you already know the lines are parallel and you want to include the relationship, the property that exists between those angle pairings, you can still use the same 2 or 3 letter abbreviations to indicate that converse. Okay? So for this set of 4 statements, the converses are all true as well.